everybody. Got a smile on my face. Tommy D Dumpster IP. We don't just clean dumpsters. I got Big Blue 42 right here. We're rocking out on the rooftop. Hey, it's midday, I don't know, 2 o'clock. It's hotter than hell. We're just having a great time cleaning some solar panels. Just getting done. Blue, go ahead. We're doing a wipe down right here. This is the dry. We don't need a bunch of water. Sometimes we got to conserve water, right? He's just doing a dry brush. We get 90% of that dust off there. Then we're going to come up and just do a little polish. We're ready to rock and roll. Quite a few panels here. Folks, I want to understand something, that we don't just come out here and, obviously earn your business, but we add value. And don't mind the music, we're rocking it. Let's go. Super sensational Saturday, folks. But hey, this is what I'm getting to the point right here. Solar panels, it's an investment, okay? And we're able to help maintain, keep them clean, get that energy continuous at its highest peak. Even if they say it don't, it's going to help, folks. Come on, why do we wash our cars? Let's pay attention to that. All right, this is our home. These are our investments. Let's keep them clean and maintained. The bottom line is we're here to help you. We're here to join forces with yourself and the companies that you're working with out there, the products that you're purchasing, the investments that you're putting your money into, hard work and all that, and me too. So we're out here to help. And this is my point. We've got a family out here. We've been doing their bins. They asked us to come out and get their panels clean. And on our assessment, we found a broken panel. It looks like a rock, maybe a ball, maybe a meteor. Who knows? Hey, what's going on? You see a lot of weird things going on in the world anymore. So, hey, anyway, Tommy D, Dumpster IP, Thomas Dawson, Dumpster Intervention Patrol, proud owner. And listen, we're here to serve you folks. If there's anything we can do, any external service, from artificial grass cleaning, they got artificial grass. These neighbors over here, it gets stinky, smelly. We had one earlier. It was bad, and we made a difference. Their patio needed a little bit of washing off, and we kind of helped them guide that on there too. But anyway, these panels are we're rocking. This kid's got his guitar out. Let's go. Have a great Saturday, folks. Me, Thomas Dawson, Dumpster Intervention Patrol, my son, Big Blue, Thomas Dawson.
Same name.
We appreciate you guys. We're here to serve. We're here to add value to you, your businesses, your families, your friends, your community. Give us a call today, guys. God bless. Have a good one.
Peace.